Hi, I'm Steve Clark of RFC of San Francisco. Today I'm going to speak about, should tape show through drywall when I paint? When drywall tape appears while I'm painting, it shows me the person who installed the drywall and did the tape and applied the mud compound on top of it did a sloppy job. It should not show at all when you paint. What I do to make sure that this does not happen is I prime the area after it's drywalled and mudded and taped. And then I take a halogen light and I go around the room to make sure none of the tape or none of the seams pop out or appear. If they do, I reapply another coat of mud in that area. Every time I do that, when I go to do my finished paint coat, it comes out perfect. Today we spoke about, should the tape show through drywall when you paint? I'm Steve Clark, a licensed general contractor, a licensed plumber of RFC of San Francisco. Thanks for watching.